Unboxing a mini Pokemon card deck. It's the Scarlet and Violet series. I had to tape it because I started opening it and then I realized I was going to make a video of it, so here we go. We have a shiny, I forgot what that Pokemon's called, card. Some warnings on the back. As you can see, there's pretty decent Pokemon cards here, actually. Here's the card. Go 1, 2, 3 from the back. That's the 2 legendaries. I'll set them aside. We have 1 energy card from this pack, and it's in basic energy card, by the looks of it. We have a Magikarp. We have a Magnemite. We have Energy Switch. We have a Vroom. Let's slide those over. Magical Stadium card. So that's the first 6. We're going to set these down real quick. Pick up the first 6 in order of how I picked them up. I'm going to do 6 more. Then we have a Drifloon and a Pokemon tool, which would be called a Defense Band. And our last Pokemon from this, other than the 2 rare cards right there, we have a Strigocalto. I probably really messed up the name of that, but that's fine for now. In the comments you could tell me how to pronounce that properly. For rare cards we have a Dondozo. Oh, it's got 2 attacks. That's pretty good. And we have a Carbon. I'm going to check these cards real quick because they're shiny cards. Oh, that's a star. That's 1 star, so that's nothing. Yeah, there's no little tiny thing that has a thing, so these aren't fake cards that are in disguise. So we have those 5 more cards, plus this would make that another 6 grip, but they don't have an extra card, they just have these little cards that you get inside the box. Well, here we go. That was all the Pokemon cards in there. Pretty good, decent card.